always surprised with is how much they're using it when we're not doing unibody repairs. It's easy to put a car on it. It doesn't require you going up a set of ramps because our old machine, they'd always kick a ramp out when you're trying to get a car on. So the new machine is almost flush with the floor. It's easy to get onto, and then immediately you can raise it up in the air probably 4 or 5 feet up off the ground. So it makes it very easy to use.
It makes it easy for my guys to work on. They can pick it up chest high, it's comfortable, and it works out really well for them to get the rockers, the bottom side of the car, or even the side of a car where instead of bending down, standing this way, you can stand up. It's just, you know, the guys love it, and they work out good in the shop.
No need to move from one bench to the other. Just being able to work at the level of the vehicle and having a technician not having to kneel down, that is a big plus. And that's what most of the technicians in our shop love.
For light teardown or for pre-repair inspection, we're also using it for post-repair inspections and using our touch system to measure out the cars and before and after we do the repairs to it. So it's easy to use, and you can have a car on and off of it in a matter of minutes instead of 30 or 40 minutes with the old machine.